Well, I just checked into the Paris Hotel. We got a king room here with an Eiffel Tower view. I want to give you a quick tour of the room and what you can expect if you check in. We just got in, we put some of our stuff down, been in the room for an hour or so played around with it, checked it out. I'll give you my opinions. Now, it is a very nice room. I've stayed in a lot of MGM properties in Vegas, and I would say this is on par with any of the MGM properties you would expect if you're used to doing those. And it definitely lives up to the Caesar name here. But you got a nice desk, full chair here, king-size bed, a lamp on both sides with outlets, which is really nice, and one amazing view. You see right here is the Eiffel Tower view you get when you pay for that. So it's really nice. Nice view of the pool, a little cool so no one's in it today. You can see Caesar's Palace right across the way right over there. A nice desk. There is a full room service menu with pricing that's very in line with everything you would expect from here with a hotel like this. Let me kind of quickly go over the breakfast to give you an idea of what some of the pricing is. It's not cheap. Of course, there is a gratuity with it and more. $5 delivery fee and more. Let's keep on going. As I said, outlets, 2 outlets per lamp on each side. Very big TV there, which is really nice. One thing that they have here, which is nice, they got the safe, which is very large. You can easily put a laptop in there. But they also have a little fridge. A lot of hotels in this price range here have mini bars, which means you can't really use it as a fridge. So having the actual fridge is really nice here. You do have some extra bedding up there, some hangers on both sides, which is really nice. You see ironing board and iron, no need to go and call for one, which I really like. I travel for business to Vegas a lot. I always hate it when I have to call for an iron so I can iron my suits. The bathrooms are very nice. Very large bathroom with a very large shower. So if you like a large shower, they got, step in here for a second. They got a rainfall shower head there and then a shower wand, which is really nice. A bench over here, so very nice setup. Huge sink area, toilet area, very nice setup here. The bed is very comfortable, feels like a newer mattress. Let's do one thing. I always dust up here, and you can see there is a lot of dust. So housekeeping is good. I wouldn't say it's horrid, but there's definitely little things like that. The one thing I did notice, if you're like me and you travel with a Roku, I'm here on business, which means I spend a fair amount of time in the room. I come to Vegas a lot. Can't connect a Roku to these TVs. They've set them up in a way which prevents you from accessing the HDMI ports to add a streaming player. So if that's important to you, unfortunately, that's not an option. Past that little note there, everything here is really nice. A very nice little chair, little table here, very nice little desk area. Can't see the TV from the desk. So if you're here for business, it's something to know about. You do have your own climate control, so you can adjust the temp. And you got one heck of a view from your room. But with that said, you're not really coming to Vegas for the room. You're really coming in here for all the other stuff. But for the price we got this for a wedding, I was very happy with the room. For what we paid, I think the quality here is exactly what I would have expected. And it does feel like the Paris Hotel has done a nice job upgrading their stuff, putting new mattresses down, putting some new fixtures in the rooms, keeping the rooms up to date, keeping them fairly clean, though they could do a little bit better, and making it worth your money. So that's my quick walkthrough tour of the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. I'll put a link to it down in the show notes if you want to learn more.